and mix well. Toss. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Kalma here, and to those who are new, please welcome and happy 2020 to all of you. We will start this year with a super easy, yummy and healthy recipe. It is baby spinach with fruits and homemade salad dressing recipe. So let's get started and follow along. I hope you make this at home. It is super easy to do. Yummy healthy recipe coming up. And what we need are 1 cup of ripe pineapple cut into pieces, about 1 cup of ripe Mexican mangoes, about 4 tangerine oranges. It's up to you. You can add more or you can add less. Persimmon. It looks like this. Not the small kind, the large ones. They are naturally sweet and delicious. 1/2 teaspoon of table salt. 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 5 tablespoons of aged balsamic vinegar. This is so delicious with this type of salad. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, about 200 grams of baby spinach. Make sure you add your homemade salad dressing only before you serve them. Otherwise, your salad will become very soggy and it's not delicious to eat. So let's get started and follow along. We are making the homemade salad dressing first. So easy to do. Garlic, onion powder, table salt. See all my ingredients in the description box below this upload. Freshly ground black pepper, and mix and set aside. Let's peel the persimmon and slice into cubes. Yummy persimmon. If there's any seeds, you can get rid of them. I see seeds. Cut in cubes. Peel all the tangerine oranges and separate them. Get rid of the unwanted parts. Add all the mangoes, all the pineapple, and the dressing, the yummy parts. and mix well. Toss. Add all the nuts. Now the best part is to serve and try what I made. Yummy salad. Time to mukbang. This served about 3 to 4 guests or 4 people. So delicious. Hindi na ako makausap sa sarap. I better sit. How's everyone doing? How's your New Year's Eve? And how's your New Year so far treating you? Oops, I think I forgot my husband. One sec. Dad, I made some salad. You want some with olives? You want me to bring it down or you want to come up? Our 2 ladies are not here for lunch, so just my husband and myself will be eating this salad. So good. I want more. And the leftover is for my husband's seconds. Tangerine oranges, very sweet. Good to the last drop. This is a carbonated natural spring water. Cheers, I'm thirsty. Yummy. After that yummy salad. All the best to all of us in 2020. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you soon.